Today, tractors and trailers are equipped with more horsepower and are hauling heavier loads than ever before. In the trucking industry, we're all concerned about carrying more and getting it there more quickly. But what about stopping? The world has learned that disc brakes are simply better than traditional drum brakes. For the last 20 years, SAF-HOLLAND has been on the leading edge of disc brakes and is recognized as the global leader in trailer air disc brake technology. Introduced to the North American market in 2008, the SAF integral disc brake system has earned a reputation for superior braking performance, reliability, and ease of maintenance. Pinnacle Express delivers aviation fuel throughout the Great Lakes and Midwestern United States.
Pinnacle Express has been buying SAF-HOLLAND suspensions now for the last 5 years. When we converted from drum brakes and we started speccing our trailers with the disc brakes, our maintenance went almost down to nothing on these trailers. We're not having to grease slack adjusters, S-cams, the tubes, the bushings. For every set of pads that we change, we probably would have changed 2 to 3 sets of brake shoes on a drum brake system. A lot of times when we do change brake pads, it takes us longer to get the tire off than it does to change the brake pads. When you have a $100,000 piece of equipment, the less time it's in the shop getting worked on and the more time it's out in the field delivering revenue to get that ROI going, the happier I am. Performance of the disc brakes is so much better than the drums. If you think about it, truck going down the hill and the drum's getting hotter and it's expanding. On the disc brake system, even as the rotor expands, the caliper's gripping it tighter.
They don't get hot going down hills if you got to ride the brake a little bit. They don't get near as hot as the drum brakes. Seen lots of guys on the highway that had brake problems and smoking big time coming down a big hill. Where these, they don't smoke at all. They just keep braking.
When we went to the disc brakes, we had a big can, 6-axle transport tractor full of fuel. Driver's going to Grand Rapids on a delivery, and he had an incident in front of him where he had to dynamite the brakes and shut the truck down like right now. Tractor, trailer, driver, and fuel, 65 tons gross vehicle weight. When he dynamited the brakes, he shut that truck down and he guessed about 235 feet. It made funny noises, but it stopped. Everything that we've spec'd since then has been disc brakes. Tractors since 2009, the trailer since 2010. The drum brake system is obsolete.
Outside of North America, disc brakes have become the standard brake systems for trucks and trailers. So why haven't disc brakes become the standard for North American fleets? Is it only about price? That the cost of acquiring disc brakes is just too high? SAF-HOLLAND is listening, and we have a solution that's available today. Introducing the all-new SAF P89 disc brake system, engineered to deliver the benefits you expect from the world's leading disc brake supplier at a price point that makes sense for commercial fleets of all sizes. We've invested heavily in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and leveraged our global supplier networks to create a world-class disc brake system with an impressive list of standard features, like heavy-duty vented rotors, hubs with premium bearings and seals, and proven caliper technology with built-in automatic brake adjusters. Backed by a 5-year warranty, P89 offers an unmatched value for today's fleets. And the P89 can be customized to match your fleet specifications with popular options like tapered or parallel spindle configurations, oil bath or semi-fluid wheel end lubricants, and all major tire inflation systems. Eagle Express, a dry goods logistics and trucking company based in Michigan and Tennessee, has made the switch to SAF suspensions with air disc brakes on all their new trailers.
So a few years back, we decided that looking into the future, we wanted to make sure that we could take advantage of technologies that would help our company. And that's when we made the decision to look hard at disc brakes. This is one of the pads that we did on our first ones, and it was 4 years in service. I figure 100,000 miles a year, and there's no gouging. They're not worn ununiformly. They're not tapers on any place. It's exactly what we hoped we would get. There's no way a brake shoe's gonna last that long. And the components aren't expensive. So if you do the dollars of just the product, I think you'll find a savings over the course of time. I mean, everybody's new cars have discs. You don't find a BMW with drums on it. So it's better technology, and it's safer technology, and it's more cost-effective technology.
For fleets that desire the lowest possible maintenance along with the peace of mind that comes with an extended warranty, SAF-HOLLAND presents its premium disc brake package, the P89 Plus. With P89 Plus, you get all the advantages of the standard P89 disc brake system, plus long-life sealed bearings with low rolling resistance, the proven SAF integral rotor, and an industry-leading 7-year warranty. The new P89 and P89 Plus air disc brake systems are available on all CBX and ULX series suspensions. The P89 and P89 Plus are built using standard North American components that are available at our network of more than 5,000 authorized parts and service providers. What more could you ask for?
I cannot imagine buying anything but disc brakes on trailers. It just, to me, is a no-brainer.
It's the future. Everybody's going to go this way sooner or later.
The P89 delivers the benefits you expect from an air disc brake system at a price point that makes sense. If you've been considering a move to the advantages of disc brakes, SAF-HOLLAND has just paved the way. SAF-HOLLAND, engineering your road to success.